peachtools.com.
Do you know how to unclog toilets with baking soda? Yes, you heard that right. You can unclog your toilet using this simple white powder because it has many great household uses. Before you contact a plumber, you can use baking soda to try and fix your toilet clogs at a low cost. Baking soda and vinegar, when mixed together, can be used to unclog kitchen sinks. But did you know it can also unclog a toilet in some circumstances? However, you'll want to measure it properly to avoid a little explosion all over the floor of the bathroom. The first step is to determine the extent of the clog. You'll need an equal amount of each. If the clog is minimal, you won't need to pour the baking soda and vinegar down in stages. You'll use the entire amount at once. But if the blockage is really persistent, you'll need to use lesser quantities in smaller stages. Why are you doing it in stages? Because you don't want the bubbling to get out of hand and create a huge mess. Pour 1 cup of baking soda into the toilet bowl if the clog is minimal. If the blockage is serious, pour about half a cup of baking soda into the bowl. Always use the same amount of baking soda and vinegar. 1 cup of vinegar for every 1 cup of baking soda. You'll notice them bubbling when they mix. The bubbling will begin straight away, but it should rapidly fade. Allow it to do the job by leaving the mixture to sit in your toilet bowl for a while. Allow a couple of hours, or overnight, for the mixture to drain. After 2 hours, try flushing, but only if the stagnant water has emptied. But allow the mixture to sit overnight before flushing if it appears to be still clogged. Repeat over if the toilet does not unclog the first time. How to unclog toilets with baking soda and salt. Baking soda and salt, used in a 2-to-1 ratio, make an excellent cleaning agent for unclogging drains. For a more powerful clean, use a greater ratio of 1 cup baking soda to half cup salt and let the powder remain in the drain for a few hours. This allows the baking soda and salt to activate and begin scraping away at the clumps of grime that have clung to the pipes. Last step is to pour some boiling water down the drain to restore the drain's functionality. To check out lots more cool ideas about DIY toilet unblocking, just click the link in the description below. And remember to like and subscribe to us here at peachtools.com.
peachtools.com.